silog meals with unlimited rice, at meron ding silog platter. Here's another cafe find dito sa Angeles City. Compared to other cafes, mas mura yung mga drinks nila dito. Open sila from 11 a.m. to 12 midnight at meron din naman silang limited parking. Fully air-conditioned at mabilis ang wifi kaya masarap ding tambayan. This is Cafe Boulevard 172 located sa Barangay Pampang. Available sa Google Maps at malapit lang sila sa Angeles City National High School. Ito yung mga in-order natin at unang-una kong tinikman yung Cafe Boulevard salad. Wala ito sa menu nila but feel free to order whenever you want to. I really enjoyed it. It's basically your canny salad spring roll. Tapos masarap din yung dip although medyo nabitin ako. I also love their clubhouse sandwich because it's very cheesy and tasty. Feeling ko mas sasarap pa to kung medyo toasted yung bread on the outside but that's just my personal preference. Meron din silang Hungarian sausage sandwich, some cheesy fries with bacon bits. Ito naman yung messy cheesy burger na merong homemade na double patty. Make sure to eat it while it's really hot kasi yung cheese sauce tends to get thicker pag lumalamig. Sobrang okay itong chili chicken rum nila. Best seller nga daw yan. It's basically bite-sized chicken topped with a mix of onions, chilies, and bell peppers. So it's very savory and spicy at masarap ulamin sa rice. And speaking of kanin, ito yung mga silog meals nila na may unlimited rice. We tried their corned beef, fried chicken, tapa, tocino, and burger steak. And given na only rice yung mga yan, karamihan sa mga ito is priced at 110 pesos. Kaya sobrang sulit na lalo na at maraming students nearby. Nag-order din tayo ng Hungarian sausage, spam, this breaded pork chop, at meron din tayo ng grilled liempo. Ang dami mong pagpipilian, pero kung kumakain ka with the group, very ideal itong mga platters nila. They have 3 different sizes at ito yung good for 3 to 4 packs. Sa hot beverages, na-enjoy ko talaga yung dirty matcha, chocotella, at ginger tea. Sa cold drinks, we tried their Cafe Boulevard Frap, iced chocotella, matcha Oreo Frap, dirty matcha, and cookies and cream frap. Pinaka nagustuhan ko dyan yung Cafe Boulevard Frap kasi coffee-based and may ice cream on top. Kung mahilig ka naman sa fruity drinks, meron din sila nitong mga fizzy aids. After that, meron din sila mga tumblers dito, so bumili na rin ako ng akin. So sa lahat ng mga naghahanap ng tatambayan na cafe na walang time limit at affordable yung food and drinks, i-try nyo na rin ang Cafe Boulevard 172 and enjoy!